In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect with Cloudflare. Whether you're managing a website migration, cleaning up old links, or simply optimizing user experience, setting up redirects properly is an essential skill for any website owner or administrator. With Cloudflare, you can easily manage redirection rules for your domain, ensuring that visitors are seamlessly guided to the right locations. Stick around, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up your own redirect rules with confidence. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Cloudflare account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. If you're managing multiple websites or domains, you'll see a list of them in your account. From here, navigate to the specific domain for which you want to set up the redirect. Simply click on the domain name, and this will take you to that domain settings page. Now, once you're inside the settings for your domain, look for the section labeled Rules. This is where we'll be configuring the redirect. Click on Rules, and you'll see several options for managing traffic and behavior on your site. For the purpose of this video, we're going to focus on the Redirect Rules section. Go ahead and click on Redirect Rules to access the Redirect Management panel. Once you're in the Redirect Management panel, you're ready to create a new redirect. To do this, click on the button labeled Create Rule. This will open up a form where you can configure all the details of the redirect rule. Take a moment here to think about what exactly you're trying to achieve with this redirect. This will help you configure the settings correctly. The first step in creating your redirect is to give it a name. Choose a clear and descriptive title for your rule so that you can easily identify it later. For example, if you're redirecting old blog links to a new structure, you might name the rule something like Blog Redirects. Naming your rule properly is especially helpful if you have multiple redirects set up for your domain. Next, move on to the When Incoming Requests Match section. This is where you'll specify which URLs the redirect should apply to. In most cases, you'll want to use a wildcard pattern to match multiple URLs. For example, if you want to redirect all pages under https://example.com to a new URL structure, you can use a pattern like https://example.com/. The asterisk acts as a wildcard and ensures that all pages under that domain will match the rule. Be as specific as necessary to avoid accidentally redirecting URLs you didn't intend to. After specifying the incoming request pattern, it's time to define the target URL. This is the destination where you want the traffic to be redirected. For example, if you're redirecting visitors to a new website or page, simply enter the full URL of that destination. Cloudflare also allows you to use dynamic placeholders, which can be incredibly powerful for handling complex redirection scenarios. These placeholders let you carry over parts of the original URL into the target URL dynamically. Next, choose the appropriate status code for your redirect. The status code tells browsers and search engines how to handle the redirect. If the redirect is permanent, select a 301 status code. This is the best option for SEO as it signals that the original URL has permanently moved to a new location. If the redirect is temporary, you can use a 302 or 307 status code. Temporary redirects are useful in cases where the original URL will become active again in the future. Now, decide whether or not to preserve the query string. The query string refers to any additional parameters in the URL, such as ID equals 123. If you want these parameters to carry over to the target URL, make sure to enable this option. Otherwise, the redirect will strip away any query strings from the original URL. Once all the settings are configured, the final step is to click the Deploy button. This action saves and activates your redirect rule. At this point, Cloudflare will start applying the rule to incoming traffic, and visitors will be redirected based on the conditions you've set. And that's it! Your new redirect rule is now live. Remember, you can always come back to the Rules section to review, edit, or delete any of your redirect rules as needed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.